Alright folks, many aggressive traders use MACD histogram as a trading system. In this daily chart of MTUM, you notice arrows pointing up in the lower, right here, and in the upper half of the chart, right here. The moment histogram crosses above zero line, right here, right here, right here, right here, here, and here, it can generate an entry exactly above the corresponding candle. So we go above this candle, and it can be a buy above this candle. Exactly above here on this candle, and it can be a buy above this candle right here. This right here, and it can be an entry over here. Exactly up above this right here, and there can be an entry above this candle. Right here, there can be an entry above this candle. And finally, right here, and there can be an entry above this candle. In this 1 year daily chart of IJR, I have plotted MACD, moving average convergence divergence indicator, on the bottom of the price chart right here. The moving average convergence divergence is a trend following momentum indicator. It is calculated as the difference between two price averages. Usually it is 9 and 26 moving averages. In the plot below, blue line is the MACD line and yellow line is the signal line. Okay. Across, above, or below the signal line produces valuable signals for trend analysis. Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, 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 and here. Across above the signal line can also show an uptrend, and across below the signal line can show a downtrend. MACD also produces buy and sell signals when it goes above or below zero line. So basically, when this MACD crosses above this zero line, that becomes a buy signal. And usually when MACD goes below the zero line, right here, okay, below this line, it will generate a sell signal. In this 1 year daily chart of MTUM, you see the price chart on the upper half and McClellan Oscillator on the bottom of the chart. McClellan Oscillator is a market breadth indicator that is based on the difference between the number of advancing and declining stocks on any exchange. There are two ways to calculate the market breadth: simple method and a ratio adjusted method. The simple method is calculated as the plain difference between the number of advancing and declining stocks. In the ratio adjusted method, the difference of these values is divided by their sum and multiplied with 1000. This will normalize the market breadth between negative 1000 and positive 1000. This oscillator gives a buy signal when it crosses above zero and gives a sell signal when it crosses below zero. Thank you for watching. This is a 1-year daily chart of MTUM. On the upper part, you see the price chart, and on the bottom, you see momentum indicator. The momentum study measures the change in price over a fixed time period. By default, the momentum is calculated as the difference between the last close price 12 bars prior to it. The momentum indicator is usually analyzed based on its crossover with the zero line. Crossing above the zero line and rising further can mean uptrend. Similarly, crossing below the zero line and further dropping can mean downtrend. Thank you for watching.